Hi everyone, I just want to make a quick video right here while I'm making me a cup of tea. I want to show you guys what this Leatherman will do. I said in my other video that it would cut a 6-penny nail, and that's what this is right here. Little nail. And it will not damage the Leatherman. Cut it. No damage to the jaws whatsoever. Powerful little tool, and I wanted to show you what the little file will do. The file is actually very usable. It's got real sharp serrations on it. This is a screwdriver. You can see that it's just an old screwdriver. Actually needs a little edge put on it. I'm gonna you can see that actually put a nice edge on there real quick, so you could actually sharpen an axe or a knife in the field if you needed to, and also tear up some wood. I don't know if you can see that beveled edge right there. So if you needed to do some fine filing type work, that would actually do it really well. This is the main blade. You could use an edge, but still cuts good. It does have serrations on there. The scissors, I use those all the time. Wet right here. Super sharp. You could actually use these for any kind of medical use, you know, in the field. I've actually used them to remove small pieces of loose skin on my hands and feet, stuff like that. Got a nice pocket clip on it. Jaws are super strong, no wobble in them whatsoever. It's a real tool. I mean, it is amazing. I've had it for over 2 years now, and I absolutely love it. So, and when I got mine, I think they were selling for 29 bucks, and I got this one for 25 on eBay. It was already used when I bought it. You couldn't tell it. It still looked like brand new, but it's not a very big tool either. It's easy to carry, real easy. So, just want to show you guys that. Thanks for watching.